Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we generate barcodes in Excel. To generate barcode in Excel, what you have to do is I have created this table over here in which I have written product ID and here the product ID, and I will generate barcode from this. To generate barcode from this, what you have to do is you just have to type this equal to, then in double quote bracket, then double quote, then and, just select the column, then and double quote, then close the bracket and double quote, press enter, and now we will drag this till bottom. Then in this format section, font section, we will type libre barcode 128. Just press enter and drag till bottom. I'll just center this and increase the size. Here you can see there are multiple barcodes generated from this product ID. So this is the way you can generate barcode in Excel. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.